Saturday, September 28, 2024. St. Wenceslaus, St. Lawrence Ruiz, and Companions. Focus. Because man is going to his eternal home. The first reading is a poetic reminder of the fleeting nature of earthly pleasures. This world is not our home. We were created to enjoy eternal life. So, we are reminded grimly, vanity of vanities, all is vanity. When Jesus told his disciples that he was about to be delivered into the hands of men, they found it unthinkable and shocking. Such a statement coming soon after they had witnessed Jesus' transfiguration and seen him cast out an evil spirit from someone who was incomprehensible. Why did Jesus speak of his betrayal? Precisely to remind them that this world was not his home and not their home either. They were created for eternal life. This was Christ's mission to come to earth only to make it possible for us to enter our eternal home. And we do this by following him. St. Lawrence Ruiz, the first Filipino saint, came to understand this almost by accident. He was falsely accused of having killed a Spaniard. So he fled and took asylum on a ship. He later learned the ship was bound for Japan. There he was persecuted for being a Christian and was asked to renounce his faith. He refused and was put to a painful death together with 15 other Christians at Nagasaki. Fruit. Understanding that this world is not my home will help me shed all needless attachments.